Hi friends, here I am showing you something special, a keyboard changing of a laptop computer Lenovo. It's actually an annex, is not related with the camera. Actually laptop is always related with camera, though this work is unique because this key changing is a little bit what I say complication, some kind of plastic etching. So heating this and removing this, it's a big task that I will show you, so have a look on this. So friends, this plate is already open. Now we can isolate with this keyboard. All the stud removed and the studs are remaining there. Okay, now we can remove this keyboard as well as we do on this plate. Is all here, the studs are melt and we have to melt it once more and it will come out. See what is the method. So this way total the stud is removed and now the keyboard totally come out. You can see the keyboard coming. Very carefully take out, and this is the damaged one, and I will take out new one. This is the new keyboard. Before fixing this keyboard on this surface, we have to make these all studs clear. I mean the studs must get this hole clearly come out this side, then only we can fix it carefully. Now just we can see how it is placing here. Your melted these studs are little wide, and so we have to clean it, the edge of this point. This way we have to clean it. The over this will come out with a tweezer or some scraper. You can put this with the scraper also. This is also applicable. When you this way, this will come out. This way the edge will come out. The ball of these studs must be clear. The melted excess plastic all from this stud is totally clean. Now we can fix the keyboard. First we can fix the keyboard. Okay. See the plate and plate fix this way. This comes in this hole. So same way with this keyboard we fixed this also must melt here. From one side to other side we can start from here. Some sort of hard this one because this is like the keyboard. This unlike the keyboard studs, this is little bigger than that. So you have to apply little heat and press it this way. This kind of one player or nose player is ideal. I think nose player will be ideal for this purpose. So fix it here. Hold and push. all this light also fixed perfectly. Now we can fix it on the system and you can test it. Okay, you can see this all correct measurement, this whole level is correct. If it is not perfectly did, this sometimes this may be some dip and somewhat high it will happen. So this way it is a perfect fixing. Now we can fix the total machine in this and we can test it. Okay. So guys, this system is already okay. We fixed this keyboard. It's working perfectly. As you see. Password. So the customer didn't give the password, so it's working. If I want to check the keyboard, just type this way, then you can see it's showing there, but the letters are not showing because this is the password.